Hello, welcome to Made by J&D. I was given a small little job. I think this came from a toaster oven or something of the like. It's a knob, and you can see here it's broken. He tried to tape it, that obviously wasn't going to work. And eventually the bottom of it just broke off. I tried looking at an electronics store, and they had knobs, but nothing like this one, in that it protrudes. This bottom part protrudes onto a stem of some switch. The ones they had were flush, and I'm thinking I couldn't buy those because it wouldn't fit on there. The stem is probably recessed or something. So because it's got this bit of metal, which is a reinforcement, all I'd have to do is, I think I'm going to try to make something out of wood. Probably not pine, because it wouldn't be strong enough. I've got some other hardwood, but it's really brittle, some Jarrah. It would probably work, but it wouldn't, it's kind of hard. That stuff's splintery. I'm going to see if I can find some other kind of wood. I don't know what yet. I've got a scrap pile I'm going to look through. And I'm going to try to turn this on my lathe. It may not end up looking like this. Certainly won't end up being in 3 pieces. But I'm not going to try to make that kind of shape. I'll just leave it round. That is 27 millimeters. The diameter is 31 millimeters. And then that diameter there is 11 millimeter. Well, it's not Jarrah, it's a piece of red gum. And I think I'll just have to use that because I really don't have anything other than this. I got small pieces of oak. I don't want to glue anything up. I'm just going to end up putting this in the lathe and turning it round and turn that little shaft into it and then try to drill that. There's a little bit of a keyway. Looks like the keyway goes quite a ways in there. The thickness of this plus another 1/4 inch. So let's say 1/2 inch it goes in there, a little bit less.